Okay, so here's the font I found, and this is basically what I do first. I found this one and it really inspired me, so I decided to make a word drawing. Next, I noticed that most of the letters had like simple shapes in them, like the base was a rectangle. So I used that to start my drawing. I just drew a rectangle, and then I drew more rectangles on top of that, or like if there was a diagonal line, I would draw that outward and then connect the rectangle lines. That's how I was able to make the really nice shapes. Some of it I drew freehand. That's a little more tricky, so I'm glad that turned out pretty well. So yeah, basically just start out drawing in pencil, and then when you finish the letter, go over it in pen. When the pen dries, you can erase all the inside lines and it'll look much better. Don't worry if it looks kind of bad when you're drawing in pencil. Remember, you can always erase it or go over it in pen and then erase the insides that look kind of bad. Yep, after you go over it in pen, you can use color, drawing, whatever, and it doesn't have to be like a black pen. You can use colored pens, and that's why it's so much fun for me, because I can make it whatever color I want, and it looks super cool.